So we're doing one-step inequalities, and then suddenly an issue pops up that we have to address: symmetry. So when you look in a mirror, you have obvious symmetry that you can see. Here I have x is greater than 8. If I was to flip this inequality around, where x is on the right side, but 8 is on the left side, how would I write the symbol? Well, the greater than part is enveloping the x, and you're always pointing at the 8, right? So what that means is your inequality symbol over here has to point at the 8. So I'm going to point at the 8. So you can say x is greater than 8, or you can say 8 is less than x. Those are the exact same two statements. So let's try this example right here. I've got -8 is greater than or equal to x minus 15. I want to solve for x. I want to get x by itself on the right side, but I have to get rid of this -15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 15 to both sides. Both sides of the inequality, I'm going to add 15 to. So the -15 and the positive 15 are going to cancel out. So this and this are gone. I'm only left with an x down here. The inequality symbol, I'm going to bring down as it is, greater than or equal to. And then 15 plus -8 is going to give me a positive 7. So my answer is going to be 7 is greater than or equal to x. Now, if I wanted to flip this around, how would I do it? So if I was to put x on the left side and put 7 on the right side, what inequality symbol would I have to choose? Obviously, the symbol would have to point at the x, right? So I need to choose a symbol that points at the x. And now I've got it. X is less than or equal to 7. So now I can do my solution set, all real numbers x, such that x is less than or equal to 7. Now let's graph it on a number line. So this is the real number line, and the R stands for real. I'm going to put my 7 in the middle, and then numbers that are less than 7 are going to be put to the left side. So numbers like 6, 5, and 4. But numbers that are greater than 7 have to be put to the right of 7. So numbers like 8, 9, and 10. Those are going to go on the right side. Since I have a less than or equal to symbol, I'm going to be using a closed dot, otherwise known as a closed circle, same thing. So I'm going to put a closed dot on the 7. Which way do I shade? To the left or to the right? The inequality symbol is a less than or equal to. So I need to shade the numbers that are less than 7, like 6 and 5 and 4. So I'm going to shade to the left, and I'm going to shade the left arrow. So that's one of the examples that you might run into where you start off with x on the right side, but you can easily switch that symmetry to put it on the left side. Okay? I hope that helps.